Alright, so what is up YouTube? We are here starting this vlog off. We are rolling out right now. Today is the first day of the E-Town Pit Bike Race Series, so it is 7:30 in the morning right now. The gates open at 8 a.m. We have about a 20-minute drive over there. I got the whole dub set up behind me. I got my KLX in here. We were working on Broski's pit bike till about 1 in the morning last night, and I feel bad for him and Crack because they both had to wake up at 5 something today for work. But we got about 90% of Broski's bike done, so we're gonna finish it up today at the track, which is kind of like not a good thing to do because we're not even gonna be able to test it. We're just winging it with his bike, but it should be good. We got most of the van unpacked. And most of the setup is up. Broski in the cut, off of work early on a Saturday. Whoa, dude, we out here again. This is a first.
What do you mean, first? Like me winning first place?
Oh yeah. We stayed up till like 12:30, 1 o'clock last night working on Broski's steed. This is what she's looking like so far.
I got the best friends in the world, bro. Let me say one thing right now. My friends is real friends.
But yeah, this thing's looking sweet, but there's still some minor tweaking we gotta do. So unload this bad boy and let's get working on it.
I like the sound of it.
He needs his chain tensioner nuts. He needs a finish tightening his back wheel. It was weird, it has a broken spring and it's leaking already. I noticed it when I was putting it in, but I think we're taking them apart this week anyway, so I didn't think it'd be a bad deal for a while.
Oh shit, I was like, where'd that come from?
What's up?
The old number 4.
Mr. Engine Ice.
How are you?
What's going on? The best coolant right here.
There you go. Looks good, huh?
Unfortunately, these are air cooled, Scott. Otherwise, we run engine ice in them.
Plastic shine.
Yeah, we do run that. We run the plastic shine. It's looking hot, broski. And not to mention, this is my first traction MXU cover install, and this thing looks prime time.
I woke up this morning and I was like, oh shit.
Oh, dude, it's scuffing the frame. Oh no, it's just some dust. Dude, the seat cover and everything looks pretty wild.
Yeah, you know how we rock.
You don't need to have a triple clamp bullet. The thing will stay on in one.
Oh yeah, you think?
Yeah.
Maybe if like fucking little kid was riding.
So, Luke, you want to thank your brother and workforce for you?
Thank you, Harry. He's gonna be pissed when he
Thank
sees
Danny
this.
Lamb for taking the bullets off Danny's bike. That's not gonna get replaced.
He's gonna see this and be like, every time someone takes my pit bike, it comes back ruined. He was so
Jesse freshened it up the other day.
Did you? I went and rode it in the mud by accident. I thought this bike was made cooler than what it is.
You talking shit?
The bike's bad.
You're jealous right now.
Looks a little cheetah print thing.
Jesse's mad he don't have a 110 right now.
Jess is mad that my pit bike got done before his ski. He's gonna be even more mad when my ski's done before his ski.
Shout out to my man. What's your name?
Ben, bro.
Ben?
Ben.
Wearing the Dub T and all. Hooking broski up with some spoke tuning.
Everybody's helping me out, bro, because everyone knows I'm not capable of doing it myself. Actually, this is called a lesson right here. I'm learning.
The 535 machine. What's good? Ready for the pit bike race?
Yeah, buddy.
Newly pronounced pit bike owner, I guess we should say.
It's not newly owned, yeah. New to me.
New to Jay Peters. The pit bike squad is deep right now.
Get it, dog.
Donzi for the solid work boots.
Like a job application.
These things get the job done during the week and during the weekend, you know?
If there's muddy conditions, bro, you'll be alright, you know what I mean? You got like 8.5, 9
have an
inches.
issue. Ready to go? Dude, pack in the gate too.
Here come the rest of the 110 stock 17 plus Pitbike out of the gate into the first curve. Looks like it's out the top. Looks like it might have been one.
place, broski?
Broski was in
I think it's
sixth.
6th place, but someone just posted a video of us and I was in 6th.
Sixth place.
I biffed it behind the Mr. JP. And yeah, our pit bikes have lost about 10% of life today. And they're still running strong though. Yep, we got one more moto to go. How are they cooling down, broski? Check them out real fast. Lucky number 7.
How are we feeling, Dons?
Feeling good. Gonna redeem myself. As long as I don't go over a berm this moto, it's gonna be good. We got a little red flag. The number 1 dude crashed over there.
God damn, man.
Side swap, like.
Oh, did he swap hard?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Alright.
He swapped real bad.
We got a red flag on the play. This is bad, yo. Dude, he was flying in the last moto too. Oh, dude, we got problems down there too.
Yo! All you fucking assholes out. I'm gonna get a stock bike, I'm gonna take you out. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna take Donzi out. You're out of your mind. Yeah, fucking right. This guy's been drinking. It's gonna be an honor work. What? You've been drinking. No, dude, I need to go drink after that, man. Why don't you guys mod your fucking bikes so we can have real racing? This is real racing. Bullshit. It's like I told your boys, I'm getting a stock bike. I'm gonna come and fucking take all you motherfuckers
You gotta
out.
come, dude. Catch us on the lawn with a stock one.
face down. Got a yell from Jeffro.
You got first, Crack got second, Huck got third, I got fourth. Thank you. Shout out. Get your name in there. What's your Instagram name?
Ben No-Go. God damn.
We'll put you in there.
B-E-N-N-O-G-O. Can't mess it up.
Broski,
I fucking mowed with
what'd you get that race? I'm interested to watch these GoPros. See, it's good. JP pulling off the second moto win. And Crack. Jay Crack, me and him had a good battle almost the whole.
That dude's got a front
You almost beat Joey, dude. I saw that. That was some good pit bike racing, guys.
You already went right past me.
You guys run each other like stink on shit, dude.
And that was solid. I'm pumped on that.
Sponsored by Line of Kugels.
Line of Kugels. Well, we got to get this whole setup cleaned up. Well, I do.
I'll help.
Most of the part. And let's get these pit bikes out of here.
I guess you helped me enough this week. I can help you clean up.
Number 3, Crack.
Damn, you got a plaque?
There you go. I think I got 4th or 5th. I gotta go look. Race number 10. There we go. I got 5th overall. So it was Joey Peters, Kenny Hutt, Joseph Gluck, Tyler Carr, me. Broski 10th. You went 12-7. You gotta get rid of that 12 next time.
Damn.
Hey, you got a base to work on.
12th out of 21 DNFs.
You just,
I didn't have a chain on my first.
You just gotta work on that for next time. So
there's actually GoPro footage of my chain falling off.
Oh, trusty old number 5 plate. Let's get the number 1.
535.
You gotta get a sticker on yourself.
Let's see that. Hold it up. Pit bike. You're leading the series for the pit bike class right now, dude. We got some work to do. Oh, there we go.
Not me, son.
Is that?
Mine comes pre-applied.
That looks pretty sick.
I don't know what the MX trophies were.
Damn, I got.
There's no kickstand. Damn. First race of the E-Town Pit Bike Series was a complete success in my eyes. The track ended up being pretty good because the insides were soft and the outsides were hard packed. So you kind of make up your mind and try to pick your way around the track. So it ended up being pretty fun. I'm pretty amped at Broski's bike. I'll give you guys a little look at it, held together. I'm gonna give a little shout out to myself and Crack on this because we stayed up pretty late last night assembling this thing. So you're welcome, Broski. We got you out there. Some of my CRF builds going on. Probably next week. These forks should be in pretty soon. And that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe. We'll get to some more pit bike racing soon. As soon as our pit bikes are built up, maybe you'll have a race at my track. I don't know. You guys haven't seen that before. I know a lot of people have been saying have a race here, so we'll see what happens. But we'll catch you then. Peace.